In a world where words define confidence, your English can open doors you never imagined. Today, discover 50 advanced English words that will make your conversations sound fluent, powerful, and unforgettable. Stay till the end. One new word could change the way you speak forever. These words will make your English sound more professional. You can use them in conversations every day. Let's start. Part 1. Instead of saying good. Instead of good, say excellent. It means very, very good. For example, your work is excellent. Use this instead of just saying good. Instead of good, say outstanding. It means better than others. For example, she gave an outstanding performance. This means someone did amazing work. Instead of good, say exceptional. It means unusual because it's so good. For example, he has exceptional talent. Use this for something really special. Instead of good, say superb. It means of the highest quality. For example, the food was superb, perfect for describing great things. Instead of good, say remarkable. It means worth noticing because it's special. For example, that's a remarkable achievement. Use this when something impresses you. Part 2. Instead of say bad.
Instead of bad, say terrible. It means very bad. For example, the weather is terrible today. This is stronger than just bad. Instead of bad, say dreadful. It means extremely bad or unpleasant. For example, I had a dreadful day. Use this when something is really awful. Instead of bad, say appalling. It means shocking because it's so bad. For example, the service was appalling. This shows you're very disappointed. Instead of bad, say atrocious. It means horrifyingly bad. For example, his behavior was atrocious. This is a very strong word for bad things. Instead of bad, say deplorable. It means deserving strong criticism. For example, the conditions were deplorable. Use this for unacceptable situations. Part 3. Instead of saying happy. Instead of happy, say delighted. It means very pleased and happy. For example, I'm delighted to meet you. This is more formal than happy.
Instead of happy, say thrilled. It means extremely excited and happy. For example, I'm thrilled about the news. This shows great excitement. Instead of happy, say elated. It means extremely happy and excited. For example, she was elated after winning. Use this for big happy moments. Instead of happy, say jubilant. It means showing great joy. For example, the team was jubilant. This is perfect for celebrating. Instead of happy, say ecstatic. It means feeling overwhelming happiness. For example, I'm ecstatic about this opportunity. This is the highest level of happiness.
Part 4. Instead of saying sad. Instead of sad, say miserable. It means very unhappy. For example, he felt miserable after the loss. This is stronger than just sad. Instead of sad, say melancholy. It means deep, long-lasting sadness. For example, she has a melancholy mood. This sounds more poetic. Instead of sad, say disheartened. It means having lost hope or confidence. For example, don't be disheartened by failure. Use this when someone feels discouraged. Instead of sad, say dejected. It means sad and disappointed. For example, he looked dejected after the meeting. This shows visible sadness. Instead of sad, say despondent. It means without hope. For example, she became despondent about her situation. This is very deep sadness.
Part 5, instead of saying angry. Instead of angry, say furious. It means extremely angry. For example, he was furious about the delay. This is very strong anger. Instead of angry, say enraged. It means filled with rage. For example, the customer was enraged. This shows violent anger. Instead of angry, say indignant. It means angry about unfair treatment. For example, she was indignant at the accusation. This is anger mixed with feeling insulted. Instead of angry, say irate. It means very angry. For example, the irate passenger demanded a refund. This is a formal word for angry. Instead of angry, say livid. It means furiously angry. For example, I'm absolutely livid about this. This is extremely strong anger.
Part 6, instead of saying scared. Instead of scared, say terrified. It means extremely frightened. For example, she was terrified of spiders. This is very strong fear. Instead of scared, say petrified. It means so scared you can't move. For example, I'm petrified of heights. This means frozen with fear. Instead of scared, say apprehensive. It means worried about the future. For example, I'm apprehensive about the interview. This means nervous about what might happen. Instead of scared, say alarmed. It means suddenly frightened or worried. For example, we were alarmed by the news. This is quick, sudden fear. Instead of scared, say horrified. It means filled with horror. For example, I was horrified by what I saw. This is shocked and scared together.
Part 7, instead of saying tired. Instead of tired, say exhausted. It means completely tired. For example, I'm exhausted after that workout. This means no energy left at all. Instead of tired, say fatigued. It means very tired. For example, the soldiers were fatigued. This is more formal than tired. Instead of tired, say drained. It means all energy taken away. For example, I feel completely drained. This means empty of energy. Instead of tired, say weary. It means tired from long effort. For example, he was weary after the journey. This is tired and a bit sad. Instead of tired, say lethargic. It means having no energy or enthusiasm. For example, I feel lethargic today. This means tired and slow-moving.
Part 8, instead of saying interesting. Instead of interesting, say fascinating. It means extremely interesting. For example, that's a fascinating story. This captures complete attention. Instead of interesting, say intriguing. It means interesting because it's mysterious. For example, that's an intriguing idea. This makes you curious. Instead of interesting, say compelling. It means so interesting you can't ignore it. For example, he made a compelling argument. This is powerfully interesting. Instead of interesting, say captivating. It means holding your attention completely. For example, the performance was captivating. This means you can't look away. Instead of interesting, say riveting. It means completely fascinating. For example, it was a riveting documentary. This holds you in place.
Part 9, instead of say boring. Instead of boring, say tedious. It means long and boring. For example, that was a tedious task. This makes time feel slow. Instead of boring, say monotonous. It means always the same, never changing. For example, the work is monotonous. This is. Instead of boring, say mundane. It means ordinary and not interesting. For example, just mundane daily tasks. This means nothing special. Instead of boring, say dull. It means not interesting or exciting. For example, the lecture was dull. This makes you want to sleep. Instead of boring, say dreary. It means depressingly dull. For example, it was a dreary afternoon. This is boring and makes you sad.
Part 10. Instead of saying important. Instead of important, say crucial. It means extremely important. For example, this is a crucial decision. This means you can't do without it. Instead of important, say vital. It means absolutely necessary. For example, sleep is vital for health. This is essential for life or success. Instead of important, say significant. It means large enough to be important. For example, that's a significant improvement. This is worth paying attention to. Instead of important, say paramount. It means more important than anything else. For example, safety is paramount. This is the most important thing. Instead of important, say imperative. It means extremely urgent and important. For example, it's imperative that we act now. This must be done immediately. There you have it, 50 advanced English words for better conversations. Practice using these words every day. Start with just 5 words, then add more each week. Your English will sound more professional. People will be impressed with your vocabulary. Remember, don't use all these words at once. Use them naturally when they fit. Thank you for listening. Keep practicing and keep learning. See you in the next podcast.